I hear that most of students willing to join for this course, few more students. So that's the reason we are going to take a short classes today and tomorrow because the new students won't miss these concepts. So we are going to take a short sessions like 20 minutes, 25 minutes to 30 minute sessions for the today and tomorrow. Okay. So what we seen in the previous class, what we discussed,
SDLC explanation.
what is SDLC?
Software development lifecycle.
Okay.
So
What
the
is meant
things
by SDLC? I'm not asking abbreviation. I'm asking what it means.
it required the thing bunch of things from the client requirement that we need, and those client requirements that we gather, according to that we make the software, and the things that is required to make the project or any app is requirement gathering and feasibility study, design development, and testing and deployment, and after that maintenance will be involved.
Okay, good. So today we are going to see just introduction part about the testing. That's what I mentioned here in the syllabus. Here you can see I have mentioned the introduction thing. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the SDLC. Okay, in SDLC we have two types. We'll see overview today only. So how many types of SDLCs we have? What are they? Why we are using the? Why we are not using the old methods and when we use it? All those things we are going to discuss in the today's session. Okay. So we are going to discuss this one as well. Error, bug, failure, project, product, QA, QC, QE, and interaction. These are the two concepts we are going to discuss in the today class. We are going to discuss in the today class. Okay. So let me copy this. What is meant by testing? Can anyone of you guys why we are doing the testing?
To test the behavior of a project,
Sorry.
we do testing to behavior of a project that is like that is expecting as we have built it.
Not exactly. Okay, fine. Near. Any other one? Saidat, Hema, Pridarshini, Bashir, Kaushik, Monica. You can tell whatever you know. Nothing? Okay. We'll see here. Testing is nothing but we have to verify that particular product whether it is working as expected or not. Okay. Testing is nothing but initially if anyone asks you what is meant by testing, you can tell that testing is one of the phase in software development life cycle, and testing is nothing but we have to verify or validate the product or application is working as expected or not, or else is the expected output is matching fine with the actual output or not. We have the different variants of definitions we have for the testing. Okay, you can frame that definition as your own, whatever you remember at the time of interviews. Okay, here you can see software testing. Software testing is a part of software development process. Are you guys able to see the screen which I am sharing? Please
Yes,
confirm,
Raju.
guys.
Yes.
Okay. Software testing is a part of software development lifecycle, and it is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. So here the main definition of this testing means we are using the testing to detect and identify the bugs or defects in the software. Okay, the main objective of the testing is to release the quality product to the customer. Okay, these three lines are more than enough to answer what is meant by testing and why you are doing for application. Okay, it's a one of the phase in the software development life cycle used to detect and identify the defects and to provide the objective of testing is to provide the quality product to the customer. These are the three definitions what we have. But here, while telling this objective of testing is to really release quality product, right? So when you say that the product has quality, okay, when you can justify that the quality, that product has a quality, here they have given some points. Okay, what is software quality? Okay, if the quality of the software is completely based on the customer justification. Okay, once you deploy that product to the customer or deliver that product to the customer has to justify on what basis the customer will justify. Below are the points, some of the points the customer has to justify. The first one is bug free, second one is delivered on time, third one is within budget, and fourth one is meet requirement or expectation, and fifth one is maintainable. Here you can see that what is meant by bug free. Bug free is nothing but that application should not have any defects. While performing this second point, detect and identify the defects in the software, right? The count of the defects should be a zero. Okay, then it is called it as a bug free. Then it is called as a bug free or else defect free. And second point is delivered on time. It means that if you deliver the product to the customer on time, for example, that we have given confirmation to that customer will deliver the product by 25th December 2023. Okay, if we deliver on or before 25th December, then you guys are delivered on time. If you are not delivered and you need one more month like Jan 24, 2024, okay, then they are taking one more month, right? It's not delivered on time. Okay, so next one is within budget. Okay, for example, that company said that this project needs 50 lakhs budget. Okay, so then it is going to be completed in the budget. Meet requirements or expectation. I already told you, whenever we are starting a project, the customer will give a document to the software company which is named as a CRS document. CRS document means customer requirement specification document. It means that in that document everything should be noted as per the customer view. As per the customer view. Okay, finally, if that requirement document meets, the application meets that requirement document, then it is called as a customer justification. And next one is maintainable. It should be easy to maintain. It should be easy to maintain. For example, if you buy any electronic or else, for example, we have vacuum cleaner and we have some other electronic devices which we are using on the daily basis in our home, right? So we bought it. After you have taken that for your daily purpose, if it is maintainable, if it is easy to maintain to you, then you can feel that yes, the product is good. Is it or not? Right? In such a way, once we have delivered that product to the customer, it is easy to maintain for him, for them. Okay, then we are going to call it as a the product is a maintainable. Then the customer will be justified. Okay, these are the 5 points how customer will justify the product for the quality. Okay, so here, and next one is why do we need testing? Why do we need testing? Simple answer, providing the quality product to the customer. That's what we see the main objective of the testing. Okay, and next one is very important interview question. Most of the people will confuse on this interview question. Okay, whether you are the senior or junior or fresher, whoever it is, even if you have the 8 years and 10 years experience also, this is the mandatory question in the interview for the manual testers. Okay, so error versus Bug or defect versus failure. When we are calling it as a error, and when we are calling it as a bug or defect, and when we are calling it as a failure. So here error is nothing but incorrect human action. Incorrect human action. For example, now you have written some code. Okay, now you have written some code in some other language. It may be Java or Python, whatever it is. Okay, if you want to develop an application, you should write some code, right? You should write some code. It may be HTML, it may be HTML5, CSS3, and mean stack, whatever technology you want to use to develop an application, you can use it. But while writing a code, you missed some syntax there. You missed some syntax there. So whose mistake is this? Developer mistake, right? It's a incorrect human action. Okay, incorrect human action. So that is called it as a error. That is called it as a error which is done by the human mistake. Okay, and next one is bug or defect. It means that you have written syntax and everything is correct, but the logic may different. Logic may different due to that the actual output is different as compared with the expected output. It means that if there is any deviation from the expected output. Okay, so expected output is nothing but, for example, we have a Zomato application. In Zomato, we have a login page where you have to give your phone number. Okay, once you given the phone number, you should get a OTP for that number. That is your expectation. But whenever you were given your number, you are not getting any OTP for that number. You are not getting any OTP for that number, right? So then what it will happen here is deviation from the expected output. What you expected from the Zomato login page? When you give the mobile number, you are expecting the OTP to that mobile to enter into it. But what it is happening actual, we are not getting any OTP. Okay, that is a deviation from a expected output. Okay, and next one is failure. Failure means everything is working in our local system, but so the quality is fine. It's a bug free application, and we have a confidence that no issues there in the public, and we are going to deploy product to the customer. Unfortunately, the bug is raised by the unfortunately the bug is raised by the public who is using that application. Okay, then it is called it as a failure, and this is called it as a escalation by the customer in the real time project. Escalation in the project by the customer. Okay, so we'll give an example that most of the student, you may see that in Instagram or Facebook or else whatever social medias we have. Okay, and sometimes we may found some issues in that application, right? Whenever you keep the story or whenever you post some posts or reels, it's not getting updated. Okay, that is one of the bug what we are having. So the expected output when you put the post, when it is uploaded, it should be visible in your portfolio in the Instagram. That is expected behavior. But sometimes what it will happen is due to the performance issue of that Instagram most of the people are using, whenever you posted any reel or post, it was uploaded but it won't be visible in your portfolio, in your profile portfolio, right? That is not expected. It should be shown once it is uploaded. It will be shown once it is uploaded. So here what it's happened there, deviation from the expected output. So deviation from the expected output is happen, but where it is happened? Once you release that product to the public, it was happen and it was identified by the public. Then it is called it as a failure of that product. Getting my point? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Please confirm. Is everything clear so far? Very important interview question this one. Okay. And next one, why the software has
Um,
bugs? Why
Hello,
the
Raju.
software? Yes, yes, go ahead.
I have a doubt. So, um, I have one example. On click of a button, I need to generate a PDF. But on click of that button, I'm getting an error. So is this error or bug? Should I raise it as a error or bug?
I didn't get your point.
So on click of a button, I need to generate a PDF. But
Okay.
on click of that, I'm getting an error. So should I raise it as a bug or error?
Here, in your scenario, it will be bug only, right? So it was happening the deviation from expected output. Whenever you click the login button, you should get that PDF, right? So that is your expectation, but it's not happening. Deviation from the expected output, right? So then it is called it as bug only. So errors, we are not handling the errors. Errors will be handled by the developers. Okay,
Okay. Okay, Raj. Thank you.
clear?
Yes. Yes, Raj.
And next one is why the software has bugs. Okay, actually, why the software has bugs. Okay, if while writing a code itself, if the developer is writing the properly, then why should testers is needed? So why the software has bugs is nothing but there is a lot of miscommunication or no communication between the developers and testers. Okay, and next one is software complexity. As the software complexity is more, as lot of features are integrated for a single unit, then we are going to have a bugs. And next one is programming errors, which is written by the developers. And next one is changing requirements. Initially, the customer has given the CRS document on the August, for example, August 2023. And again, he changed on the November 2023. The requirements are changed and the developer has to change the code. There will be a chance of getting errors. And lack of skilled testers. This is a main important point. The most of the companies lack of skilled tester is a main key role why we are getting an errors. Why we are getting an errors. Okay. So lack of skilled testers are nothing but the testers are not testing as expected. Okay, in depth. Okay, these are the main reasons why the software has bugs. Okay, and before going to the other topics, let's see what is meant by software first. What is meant by software first? Here, software is a collection of programs that helps us to perform a task. Okay, software is a collection of programs that help us to perform a task. Then what is mean by program? Is a set of instructions. Set of instructions is nothing but for program means we are giving some instructions to perform particular task. But software means collection of compute programs. Okay, so we have three types of softwares we have in a market. First one is system software, second one is programming software, and third one is application software. Okay, first one is system software, second one is programming software, and third one is application software. Here system software is nothing but whenever we are opening our laptop, there is booting process is happening for our operating system, right? So those are called as a software systems which is came by default. And sometimes we need some device drivers, some utilities as well, right? So utilities is nothing but if I want to work with my printer to take a print from my laptop, I should install the print driver. And if I want to connect Wi-Fi to my laptop, I need a Wi-Fi driver for the Dell. Okay, so all these integrated drivers are called as a system softwares. And next one is programming software. It means that now we are going to use Eclipse editor for the automation testing. Like in sometimes if needed, we are going to use IntelliJ as well if needed. Okay, these are the some of the editors what we are calling it as a programming software. It means that we are doing the programming in the particular softwares is called it as a programming software. And next one is application softwares. It means that it comes under the mobile or desktop whatever it is, web applications, mobile apps like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and we have some other social media and some other food applications, Zomato, Swiggy, and some other applications we have for the IRCTC train ticket booking. And all these types of applications are called it as a application software. Application software. Okay, and let's see the difference between the product and service based companies. Can anyone tell what's the difference between product and service based companies, or else the difference between the product and service?
Product is the one that we are giving to our clients
Okay.
for their requirements, and service means if they found any bug in that particular product, if they like mail us or inform us how fast the service we are giving, like how fast we are fixing it and deploying it and replying to that it's done.
Okay. Any more doubts? Oh, sorry. Any more definitions? Any more definitions, guys? Okay. If not, we'll explain. Okay, cool. So here, service and product. In heading itself, we are having a definition. Service-based companies is nothing but they are doing services for other companies. Okay. It means that there will be a TCS company is there. Okay, we have a IRCTC a railway ticket booking app, right? So that is going to be maintained and developed by the TCS company. TCS company. So what they did here is they developed a software for other company which is named as a central government. Okay, they are not doing project for themselves, right? They are developing a software for others. Then it is called as a service. We are doing service to the others by taking some money. Okay, that is called service based companies. Product based companies is nothing but we are going to develop a product ourselves and we are going to sell our product to the multiple customers. Okay, it means that we there is an Amazon company is there. Okay, Amazon developed their own product Alexa. Okay, and selling it to the multiple customers through the e-commerce applications which is named as Amazon. Okay, then it is called as a product based company. Okay, and one more definition, in Amazon we have AWS clouds. Okay, so they will develop their own data center in the Mumbai as a physical entity, and they are going to create some cloud entities into that physical entities in the Mumbai as a product, and they are going to sell service of that product to the others. Now if we want AWS, then we should buy it from there, right? So here can easily understand here is service means we are going to provide service and develop software for other companies. Product means we are going to develop product for themselves and they are going to sell it to the many companies. Okay, clear the difference service and product? Clear, guys? Need your responses. Kaushik, Maunika, Priyadarshini, Bashir, Sultana, Saidat, Hema. Are you guys clear?
Yes.
Yes, Raju.
Okay. Who joined newly today? Who is not attended in the demo sessions?
Hello, myself Monica.
Okay. Anyone else who joined only today? Who is not attended in the demo sessions?
Yes, Raju, me also attended today also.
Okay. Next. Sai Datta, can you please speak? Are you also new? I think. Okay. Good. I think a couple of students are there. Yes, Sai Datta. Are you speaking? I'm not able to hear you. Okay. So the people who join newly, do you have any doubts so far what this course regarding what are the benefits you guys are getting? And have you gone through the previous demo recordings which is happened on Thursday and Friday?
Yes, Raju, but I need to confirm one thing. Is there any evening batch? Like this batch is morning, but I require evening batch.
No, no evening batches are there.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
Upcoming batch is also not there.
No. Only
Okay.
morning batches are available. Evening batches are not available.
Okay.
Other doubt? And Monica, do you have any? Saidat,
No, thank you.
Saidat, you do you have any doubt as you join? Shall I go through the recording?
No,
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. As I said that today and tomorrow I will take only 30-minute sessions because institute said that few more students are willing to join. So once they're joined, we'll confirm the slots. Then we can take 1 hour sessions. Okay. Tomorrow we can see. Today we just see the introduction and this bug failure project and product, and we left out with QA, QC, QE. We'll discuss in the tomorrow session while explaining the SDLC model. Okay. So this is all about the today. If you have any doubts, you can reach out me in the group which is created by your institute. Okay. So most of if you have confirmed your slot today, you guys get joined to that group by your institute. And so all the best. So have a nice day. We'll meet you again tomorrow.